A quiet Saturday morning in December, I wake in a home surrounded by lush greenery, nestled inside coffee, cardamom, and pepper plantation. The air is cold, the world still half asleep. I walk through the misty paths, where dried leaves echo beneath my footsteps. Birds speak softly around me, cicadas add their gentle clicking to the silence. And somewhere in the distance, a peacock calls as I move towards Harangi Backwaters, hoping to catch the sunrise. The sun hides behind fog and silence. Visibility is low, but peace is high. Sometimes nature doesn't show everything, it simply asks us to feel. Standing on the dried banks, I realize something simple. After 5 days of work pressures, meetings, and noise, the silence feels like therapy. I slowly walk back to the homestay. Java Money, a beautiful 125-year-old Kodava bungalow located in quiet hamlet of Suntikoppa, 3,500 feet above sea level in North Coorg, Karnataka. Surrounded by coffee, cardamom, and pepper plantation and close to the Harangi Backwaters, this place feels untouched by time. Outside stands a hero stone, a Veeragallu, a reminder of courage, sacrifice, and the warrior spirit of Kodava people. Perhaps it stands in a memory of someone who once lived, fought, and believed. As you walk inside the house, you don't see luxury, you see stories. One wooden Anjarapetti caught my eye. Simple, strong, timeless, just like the house itself. Old wooden chest, traditional decor, semi antique pieces not meant to impress but meant to preserve. The home comfortably housed 10 to 12 people, 3 bedrooms, and a dormitory in the loft. But more than the space, it is the warmth that stays with you. The hospitality is genuine, the experience unforgettable. This is not just a stay, it's a pause, a breathe, a reminder that sometimes the best way to move forward is to slow down. A perfect weekend getaway from the busy urban life back to yourself.